What are we doing today, Sam?
We are going to put some driveway gates in here, so we're going to install two 6x6 posts there and here. Unfortunately, we've got a water main that runs under here, so we're going to trim this one down and bolt it onto this wall. This is a brick wall, so we get a really good fix in. So firstly, we're just going to square across and see where our other posts go. So we put that big square there. So use my level. We'll just get my line. Good there. Just put it like that. Just transfer that across. X marks a spot. I'm going to cut this left-hand post down. We're going to cut it at 2 meters because we're going to put a head across the frame to keep them really rigid. So we're going to cut this one down to 2 meters, and then the other one will go in the ground, be protruding 2 meters, and be underground about 600 mil. I'm just going to square this all the way round because my saw wood isn't deep enough to cut through in one pass, so stick the blade in. Square it up, make sure it's all good, make sure I'm on the line. Just finished the cut with a nice saw, sharp saw. So we're going to dig a hole in this side, so that's our mark. Post is coming this side, so we're going to loosen the soil, dig it out. Hit something hard already. Might be the footing of this next door's house. We should be able to sneak down the side of it. Let's just check. Empty depth. That's good. 600 mil. Perfect.
What is this, Sam?
We're using Langlo water repellent wood preserve in a light brown shade. Want to get our fixings in about 3 inches, so I'm just going to put tape on the masonry drill there, gives a guide. Right, so this job's all finished. These gates have all been handmade in my workshop. We mortised and tenon all the joints. Maybe in another video, Abe, we can show how I make them up. So I'm on to the next job.